Hi everyone, I'm Ginger. Welcome to your new C-Series FPD, and let's certainly use it. One of the easiest ways to use this device is to connect it to your laptop. And the reason is because your laptop already has all the contents on it. But today we're gonna explore how to use this FPD by itself. So first off, you're gonna notice that your power, homepage, settings, and volume control are all right over here at the right corner. And you also have some USB ports on the left corner. So the green button, which you can see here on the display, is the power button. Green means on and red means off. And obviously you can see that my display is currently powered, and this is what you see when it's turned on. If you would like to turn off your device, just hold down this button for about 5 to 6 seconds and it will turn off and turn red. What you see here is our home page, and there's whiteboard, screencasting software, and file manager. I'll talk about these two later because one of our most important apps is the whiteboard software, and I would like to start there. This is the canvas. If you touch, it will write. It's also multi-point and allows multiple people to write at the same time. The default tool that is active right now is the pen tool, which is right here in the toolbar. To see more detailed pen settings, tap onto the pen icon and it opens up a menu. You will notice that there's the regular pen setting, highlighter with a slider for you to change the size, stroke mode for more refined strokes, two-color pen, which I will go into details later, erasable and writable, text recognition, and shape recognition. And the eraser is right here next to the pen in the toolbar. The canvas, as I mentioned, is multi-touch, which means it allows people to write at the same time. However, it can also detect the size of objects. For instance, when I write with my finger, it's blue. But if I use the pointier side of the stylus, it's seen as white. You may be confused as to why this is happening, and it's because I turned on the two-color pen function. With this function, you can write with different ends for different colors. And because of the size recognition function, you actually don't have to go to the eraser tool to erase. You simply just have to place your palm on the device and it will activate the eraser immediately. The third icon over here is to turn on and off multi-touch. With multi-touch on, you can write with multiple fingers or even multiple people writing at the same time. If you turn off multi-touch, the single point mode allows you to zoom in and out on your canvas. The fourth icon is the lasso function. Simply draw a circle or just swipe through and the menu down here will show up for you to delete, copy, or even flip the image. And that's deleted. Here you can see we have measuring tools such as rulers and the compass. And we also offer a variety of shapes and grids. This icon here allows you to insert tables. Tap onto the briefcase icon and you can see there's a variety of choices to insert onto your canvas. One of my personal favorites is the split screen. This is perfect for pop quiz or separated group projects. It can go up to 6 different split screens and they're all independent by themselves. There are different ways for you to save your content on the canvas. The first way is to click here and choose the file you want for you to save onto the device or a USB. The second way is to click here and generate a QR code. Students or guests can scan this QR code and save a PDF file onto their tablets or phones. Let's go back to this menu. For backgrounds, we offer different colors, grids, and patterns. For instance, maybe it's raining outside and you have to do PE class inside. Or there's music class and even chemistry classes. You will also notice that there's multi-window application written down here. This is a special picture-in-picture function that is special for the Android 13 software. It allows users to have multiple different windows at the same time. Aside from the side toolbars, we also have a floating toolbar. Simply use 2 fingers and long press onto the device, and this round compass will show up on your screen. These are also shortcuts to different software for easier access. This one right here is screen annotation function. It's basically whiteboard, but you can write it all over different interface. You can also save this onto your tablets or phones through this QR code scanning. To exit, simply click onto this door icon and you'll be able to exit the annotation function. To find settings, tap on the settings icon or go to the side toolbar. Here you can change wallpaper, language, and different power settings. On the home page, you will notice there's a file manager. If you like to import content on an USB, simply plug it into the front port. Wait a few seconds and it will show up right here. To transfer files from your USB, hold down the file that you want. Click on C for copy, go to Local, and click on V again. And your file has been transferred. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the C-Series IFPD. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook to see more.